There she got it.
Ta-da!
Very nice.
Good girl.
Bree.
Good
Okay,
girl.
let's go get one more. Ready, set, under. There you got it.
Yay, Bree!
Good job.
Good job.
Daddy will be so proud of his swimmer girl. You want to get the blue one? Okay. Ready, set, under. Very
Good job,
nice,
Bree.
Bree. Where are your cousins? Where are your silly cousins?
That's such a good girl. Bree, say yay!
Yay, Bree.
Do you want to do some jumping?
Number one. Yay.
Good job. Do you want to jump off the side?
You jump to Grandma? Oh, you're a child with a swim.
I know. I'm sad we're leaving. Ready, set.
Ready, set, jump.
Ta-da!
Good for you.
Good girl. She's got such a good kick. Look at that.
Reach and pull. Good job, Bree. Reach and pull. Reach and pull.
Good girl.
Good for Bree.